Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be 7th video of our Supabase playlist. In the previous video, we have set up Supabase, created a sample project, checked the REST APIs, hit the REST APIs, called the database functions, and we have done all the basics of it. So this video is going to be around Supabase edge functions, which are like some TypeScript functions that are deployed globally. So this video is going to be the local setup of Supabase in VS Code and how to create new functions and how to call those functions and how to run the server locally. So I will add the documentation link in the description. So let's get started. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the VS Code directly. So in the VS Code, I have an empty folder named Supabase edge functions. So in this, what we will do is we will first install Supabase in our local system. So let's just install it using npx Supabase. For installing, we'll just choose init. So it will ask like, okay, so I have already installed Supabase. So it doesn't ask me to install it again. So when you will run the command npx Supabase init, it will install the Supabase CLI locally. So now it is asking me like to generate the deno setting. Deno is the language that it uses, that is built on top of, it is basically a runtime that can be easily run and that don't have much overhead. So basically edge functions are built on top of deno. So you can read more about it. I will add the link in the description, why they choose deno over other. So I will press yes, and okay, so we got two directories, that is .vs code. So it basically have deno settings and all. My VS Code is complaining, but okay, and then we have a Supabase folder in which we have .temp, then we have CLI version, and this is the configuration file that the Supabase will run from, and then this is the SQL file that is there. Okay, let's try to create a Supabase edge function from the CLI. So the command is npx Supabase function new. Let's create a hello world function. Okay, wait, it is functions, not function. So on doing this, we will see a functions directory being created. Inside it, there is a hello world folder, and then there is an index.ts. So this is the main code. Let me just tell you what the code is doing. So it is basically deno.serve, which is like deno runtime and then serving, like creating a server. It is taking the body from the request, and then it is just creating an object name as data, and then it is just creating a response. So let's try to run this function only. So what we can do is we can just npx Supabase functions serve. So what this command is doing is it will just take all the functions directory, then all the subdirectories, and will, okay, first we need to start the Supabase server, npx Supabase start. So you need Docker installed and Docker should be running. So my Docker is running, so it is just starting the database now. It will take some time, so be patient. Mentioned everything like how we can test the function. So our Supabase setup is done, and now you can see these all the URLs. So let's try to just hit this URL, copy it, and I would just open it. Yeah, so our function is running, like our REST endpoint is running fine. So okay, so now if you just try to make this curl request, we have all the token and all, but I guess this token would not work, or will it? Yes, it will work. So let's just copy this curl request, open a new terminal here and paste it. So we get 200. Okay, that means our function is running really well. In the next video, I will be creating an edge function to send email and then deploy it locally and also deploy it on the Supabase dashboard. So till then, stay tuned. If you like the video, to hit the like button, and for more such content, to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video.